Hey, welcome back. Hal here, and welcome back to Hal's Corner. This is the place where we talk about some of the things that I really love: movies, video games, anime. Of course, as you saw in the title for this video, we're building a Lego set. I've got a fun one for you today. We're tackling a polybag, and not just any polybag, this one. So as you can see, we've got the Super Mario Kart Toad Pit Crew Polybag. 39 pieces of awesomeness. I'm just so excited to be building this one. Now, I know if you're seeing this bag right here, it looks a little thin. That's because I have already opened it and I've got all the pieces laid out here on the desk, and I can't wait to show you what is inside the bag. We can talk about it. But before we do that, I do want to say truly from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for taking the time to watch these videos and for chatting with me down in the comments, letting me know what you enjoy about them, what you'd like to see next. I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you know every single time we put a new video out. And also, if you can't stand ads like me, there is a link in the description for the ad-free, for free version that I've got over on Patreon. You don't have to spend a dime, you don't have to do anything but click it and watch it. And then you don't have to worry about ads. So if that is interesting to you, go ahead and check that out. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's get into the build. Okay, so we've got all the pieces. Like I said, we've got them out here on the desk, right here, all 39 in their glory, as well as the instruction manual. So we're going to start in the same place. One should always start. Step one. We got to find what appears to be Toad's legs, his feet. So we're going to grab this, as well as this piece right here. We're going to connect the two. Then we're looking for this piece. So as you can see, we're already getting quite good so far. There we go. Next up, we're adding some arms. It's already looking pretty good, right? And then, wouldn't you know it, Toad has a smile. Look at that face. Okay, moving on from there, we're adding this piece on top, right there. Putting this little yellow cap of a piece right on top of it. And then, let's just set Toad right there. We gotta take and we gotta connect these two pieces. Excuse me, these two. I apologize, this may be a loud snap. I'll try not to make it too bad. Okay, good. It didn't get too bad. So we have these two. All right. We're going to be sticking this right on top of Toad's head right there, so you can see that. Next, as you can imagine, this is going on top of Toad's head at a slight angle, as you can already start to tell. And then for the top, we're taking this piece here, fitting that right on top. Look at Toad. And to finish it all off, Toad needs a crowbar. I mean, he's pit crew, so he has to. Look at that. Hello, Toad. And no, I'm not going to be trying to make a voice. I am not good at making a Toad voice. Excuse me. Okay, next. We're going to need this piece, this one, and this piece. All right, we've connected them right now. You can see that. Now we're going to take one of these, put it on top. It looks like so. Then with what looks like a bike handle, we're going to be connecting it to this end right here. You can see that. Now we got some articulation. Okay. And then on the other end, we've got these little caps that end up looking like wheels. And actually give it to Toad here, so Toad can go ahead and wheel this throughout the pit. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? I think it is. It's pretty fantastic. So we'll put Toad and that over here on the side. And then we are on to the home stretch, guys. We're almost there. So first up, we're going to start with a piece like this and this. We're going to connect the two of them together. Grab another one. So that way, when you look at it, it's actually too high. You see the two blue right there on top? Then take this piece, connect them together right there. So now you have these two. Now put that down. Grab this piece as well as this piece. And you're going to want to put them all together so it looks like this. Put that off to the side. Have this. Connect it with this one. So like so. Then find your little piece that looks like an actual computer keyboard. See that? As well as this one. So right there. Next, we're going to put this one on top. You can see right there how it's got, looking for there it is. This one's just one on top. This one on the side, right there. Take this, put it on top. This one right next to it. This yellow one on top of it. We're almost there, guys. This piece that looks like a computer monitor. I mean, look at that detail. You got the keyboard as well as the monitor. And the last piece, we have a wrench that gets clipped in on the side there. See that? Now we take these two pieces together, connect, and what do you know? It is complete. I love this. Absolutely love this. I mean, look at this. Look at this together. This is outstanding. This is incredible. 39 pieces gives us this. Again, take a look at Toad. Toad looks fantastic. And all of the pit crew equipment. This is amazing. And in a first for me, I have never had a bag, a Lego set, where I've only had two pieces remaining, two extra bits. So this was almost completely used. Everything that was within the poly bag right here together in the set. This is absolutely amazing. Well, we did it. Great job. So what did you think? I mean, for only having 39 pieces, I am blown away by the detail in this. I mean, look at Toad. I mean, how incredible is that? He looks awesome. And then all of the pit crew equipment. I hope you really had a good time with this one. I think it's fantastic. I can't wait until we do the next build. And with that in mind, please go ahead, like I said earlier, go ahead and just let me know. Let's hang out in the comments. Tell me what you enjoyed about this one and what you want to see in the next one. As always, I really appreciate you. Be good, and we'll see you next time. Take care.